Hi, hello, and welcome to today's YouTube video. Today I'm going to be giving you 20 Balletcore knit ideas with patterns, okay? Some of these are video patterns, so I will have links down below of everything that I'm saying in the order that I'm saying it. So some of these are video patterns, some of these are written patterns, but they are all linked down below. So I have two categories for this video. Actually, I have three. One of them is just one thing, but the first one and the biggest one is clothing. The next one is accessories. And the final one is miscellaneous. Okay, so I'm really excited for this. Okay, so I just want to say that I know some people don't like balletcore being popular, like as an aesthetic. I personally don't really know why. I haven't done a lot of research on that, but I just want to say this is like, if you don't like it, then let me know down below in the comments. I don't know. I'm not trying to be problematic or anything, but yeah. And also, these are kind of like my interpretation of the balletcore aesthetic as someone who has practiced ballet. I'm also looking at like kind of the functionality of these pieces as you would wear them if you were a ballerina, as well as the look of them. So this is obviously not only for people who practice ballet, but if you do hear me mentioning like, oh, I'd put this on after class, or like talking about the functionality of the piece as someone who practices ballet, then that is why. I'm gonna put everything that I'm talking about here so that you can see what I'm talking about, because otherwise that wouldn't really be cool, would it? Okay, so the first thing I've got is a video tutorial. And then the first couple are video tutorials, actually. If I'm looking this way or off the camera, basically, I have my whole list of everything here with pictures so that I can know what I'm talking about and not just be rambling about things that I can't see. Okay. So the first thing I have is this mohair boat neck top, and I just think this is so cute, to be honest. It's really nice and like form-fitting, and I think that definitely gives kind of ballet, because ballet, I tend to think of tighter things like, you know, leotards, tights, things like that. So I really love this top, really. Most of these things I actually do want to make. I need to improve my knitting skills. Okay, next we have this Buffy charm top. It's so pretty. Here she has this like pinkish kind of one, and also, side note, a lot of these patterns are not in like ballet colors, but I think some of them you might look and you might be like, but if you did them in ballet colors, I think that would definitely make the pieces feel more inspired by ballet. Okay, so next we have how to knit a sweater without a pattern, and I really like this one. It's more open, so yeah, I think this is something you check on like after class or before class to keep you warm. Seems like it's really easy to slip on, especially if you made it bigger, and I just really like the open stitch idea for this one. Okay, now I have quite a few sleeve slash shrug patterns here, and that's because, you know, as someone who did ballet, we actually did wear sleeves. Like my teacher made me black sleeves to wear because they are very functional, because you want to be warm, but you don't want to be too hot. And so, yeah, I have quite a few sleeves. I know those are not everyone's cup of tea, but I will have other things as well. So here we have these easy customizable sleeves or shrug or bolero. And then here we have how to knit the world's most simple shrug. This is the name of the video, by the way. That's what it's called. I really like this shrug as well. Here we have another sweater. It's a raglan this time. So if you're into raglan sweaters, then this pattern, it's so cute. I actually want to make it. I want to make so many of these, but yeah, this raglan sweater, again, something I feel like you check on before or after class just to keep you warm. Okay. And then we have this loose knit cropped sweater. For me, this also kind of gives more of the sleeve vibes if you made it cropped. So yeah, I think it's super cute. Okay, next we have this another sleeve thing. This one is a turtleneck though. So, and it's for colder weather, I'd surmise. So I really like that. Moving on to some written patterns, we have the gall sweater. Now this one is just so light and dainty, which I feel like gives a lot of the balletcore aesthetic, because ballet is dainty and precise. So I feel like these more dainty, frilly, ruffly pieces definitely like embody that. Okay, next we have the Made You Dream blouse. This is so pretty, especially with the ruffled like chest piece or chest section. I need to get better at my clothing terminology. Okay, next we have this Truth Hurts cardigan. I really like this cardigan. It's a cardigan, doesn't need an explanation. I think, wow, this in pink, white, anything, I love it so much. Next, I have this, it's called the Folklore ruffle top, And again, like I said, anything with ruffles, I feel like that is really what we're going for when it comes to this clothing aesthetic. So I really like this. I could envision myself wearing it, maybe. Okay, next we have the Flutter Butter shorts, and I was so happy when I found this pattern. These shorts are so cute and so dainty and so light and look so airy, and yeah, so here's some shorts you can make. Okay, and then the last thing we have in this clothing category is the Norma jean turtleneck. So this is sleeves like the other pieces that I mentioned. What? No, it's not sleeves. This is a sweater. What am I saying? Okay, this is a sweater, but it has a turtleneck like some other sleeves you saw previously. So if you saw that turtleneck like shrug thing and you're like, I might kind of want something that's for the whole body, like a whole body sweater, well, here it is for you, the Norma jean turtleneck. Okay, so moving on to our accessories. Okay, so here we have, I have got two leg warmer patterns because let's be honest, like ballerinas do wear leg warmers, so how much more ballet-esque could you get than leg warmers? Okay, so here I've got these leg warmers. Hers are in white. I think they're super pretty. And then I got this second pair of leg warmers. They're lace up. I believe they're cabled. I'm obsessed. So obsessed. Like, I need to learn how to do cables just so I can make these. They're by Red Bean. I love her patterns so much, but yes, like I can see these in white, pink. They're beautiful. Next, I have a socks pattern for you. So these are just some really pretty socks. They have frills on them. They're just so cute and light. And yeah, so that is everything in my accessories category. But now I'm thinking, like, are socks accessories? I don't think so. I think the socks should have been in the clothing category. I guess I kind of, in my mind, grouped the socks with the leg warmers. That's not important. But okay, so next is our miscellaneous category. Okay, and what we have in our miscellaneous category is how to crochet like a teddy bear, a ballet outfit. And this is like, sorry, the cutest thing to me. Like, imagine they have like, I think this is, what animal are they modeling this on? A panda. They're modeling the outfit on a panda. That's really cute. So this is something I could definitely see myself making for like my little sister as a present. If you have a kid in your life who does ballet, I think this is so cute, like a little handmade ballet outfit for their plushie. Anyway, those are all the crochet ideas that I have for you today. I hope this video has been helpful, inspirational, and that you found maybe, hopefully, one thing that you would like to make. If you have, let me know down below what that is. I am very interested and nosy in other people's projects, obsessed. I definitely want to make some of these. Like, I have a hard time choosing a favorite. Obviously I went on about those cable leg warmers, so those are definitely up there. But then I think some of the tops I mentioned at the beginning. Anyway, this isn't about me, but if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. It really helps so that other people can see this video and my channel and hopefully get inspired as well. And turn on the post notifications for future videos. I'd like to do more kind of crafting inspiration videos. I'm just gonna say that I was inspired to do this video by Amazing Page here on YouTube, so this is not an original idea. I was definitely inspired by her to make this, but definitely go check out her videos because they are great, and she has covered lots of different things like goth and mermaid core and fairy core, so I definitely send you to her channel for more crochet inspo. But that is it for this video. Bye!